What's in your stocking? I think he brought some more stuff in your stocking. Right here. Ashton, right here. Did he bring some more treats?
Oh, go look in there. Grab that.
What's inside?
Go look in it. She's scared of it, baby. Here, honey, come here. Come here. Look in there. Look in there. You got it. Sydney. Open it. Sydney, go.
Oh!
Beefer.
What is that, Ashlyn?
Not there, beef. Look in there. There's more stuff in there. Sydney, go.
What is that?
Come on. It's a jelly bean. Candy. Here. What else is in here?
Oh! Ashlyn, say thank you, Santa.
Look what else.
Ashlyn, say thank you, Santa Claus.